살아줘.
진짜로.
That was hilarious. Do you guys remember doing that physical challenge the first time I featured and Jongwon? Maybe you guys can tell us a little bit. You know what's so funny? You guys are all turned around to watch the video, and I can see how you guys are reacting to the video just from how you looked in the back. But he said, yes. Tell us a little bit.
콘텐츠니까 재밌게 찍고 욕심을
Content kasi yon, kaya naging greedy kami sa content, kaya ganun yung content namin.
And it was so painful to be greedy. Oh my gosh, right? But well worth it. What about you, Changwon? Can you remember? Can you tell us a little bit about how you recall that?
아니 근데 이게 약간 저는 진짜 힘들었어요.
Ako, napagod talaga ako.
다리가 그 다음 날에 촬영이 있었는데 그 촬영에 지장이 갈 정도로 좀 힘들었어요. 저는.
Shoot kasi kami noon the day after, pero parang affected ata yung legs ko dahil sa exercise na yun.
Actually, parang affected siya sa kakatawa niya eh, no? Parang tawang-tawa ko watching him laugh. But anyway, that was hilarious. I mean, it seems like you guys work out a lot, right? Who among you would you say is the strongest? Who has like the best strength, you think? Maybe Jay can tell us, in your opinion.
Yeah, for now, I think Nikki has the best. Actually, he wants to. So, yeah, he worked out really hard, so I think Nikki is strongest right now.
What about you, Jake? What do you think?
I think in terms of stamina, I think Jong has really good stamina. Right? He can dance a long time, and I think he's one of the few people that doesn't get tired after dance practice.
Okay, why don't we do this then? Why don't you guys rank each other one by one, right? Of the 7 of you, who do you think ranks like top and then all the way to the bottom, obviously, when it comes to strength? Do you think you can manage something like that?
근력?
체력.
스태미나 맞아요. 세븐이? Right now, what? 5 or 6? Yeah. 성우 각자 한 명씩 하는 거야?
다 한 명씩.
성우.
First place?
요즘 살짝 좋아하는 것 같기도 하고.
Recently kasi, gumanda yung stamina ko.
근데 뭔가 꼴등은 아닌 것 같아요.
Pero alam ko na parang hindi ako last.
형이 생각했을 때 꼴등이 누구예요?
그러니까 제가 생각했을 때
형이 생각한 꼴등.
Sa tingin nyo, sino yung last? Sino kayo si first?
제가 생각한 꼴등은 제이요.
Si Jay yung last.
저는 한 6등 정도? 6등.
Ako naman 6th place. 6th place sabi sa
Sixth place, very modest. Okay. What about you, Chongwon? Where do you rank, you think?
저가 200 나가겠습니다. 200 정도 되는 것 같아요.
Ako, second place or first place? I agree.
What about you, Sang-won?
저는 궁금한 게 이정민이 꼴등 누구지?
Curious ako, sino yung last place ni Lido Nim?
제 기준에서 꼴찌요?
네.
Sa standard ko, sino yung last place?
제 이쪽에 있는 것 같아요.
Maybe this side. Sa may
여기 사이드에 있는 것 같아요.
baka sila yung last place, one of them.
그래도 6등이랑 7등이랑 꽤 차이 많이 나지 않나요?
Laki ng difference kayo ng 6th place tsaka 7th place.
사실 저희가 콘서트 하면서 체력 자체가 그걸 하려면 애초에 좋아야 돼서 다 비슷한 것 같아요.
Parang pare-parehas lang naman kasi if you go to concerts kasi dapat maganda yung stamina.
That's true, yeah, that's true, yes, yes. I don't want to cause a fight or anything, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys want to weigh in on this, but I think the most important thing is that you guys exercise regularly and eat well and stay healthy because we want to see them active for a very long time, right? And we're going to support and hype it until the very end, right? Alright, that was really the point of my question, but thank you so much for being